video, let's talk about the BMW Extended Wheel Bolt. Let's go. BONOSS grade 10.9 extending wheel bolts. The spacer structure design effectively reduces the losing of bolts during use. With the 12 petal hand design, the petal hands can only be manufactured by superforging technology. This uniform distribution requires a large tonnage machine to forge in one step. Not only that, but the bottom of the bolts also has a BONOSS engraved. BONOSS owns factory. By engraving the word B or BONOSS on each BONOSS extending wheel bolt, it is the guarantee of quality and the protection of customers' interests. The matching wheel stud uses SCM440 steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature strength resistance, structural stability, low harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. Besides, it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. For normal driving, they can easily withstand hundreds of strong shocks and are sufficient to cope with intense racing competitions. This excellent performance from BONOSS professional and dedicated attitudes, as evident by BONOSS logo on each product. If you have any question about the wheel spacers or extending wheel bolt, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day!